do is we'll come into here, we'll get some walls. We'll get some walls first so that we're fireproof and weatherproof. We need more nails. Should have 100 in here. Oh, we've only got 20. We will go another 200 in there, and then we will make some walls. We'll max our walls. It'll only give us 4. Throw all that over there. We'll keep our frame and our 2 stone floors on us. I'll even repurpose the wooden beams in this base. Wooden beams are not as strong as stone, obviously, but they still do a job. We need some more stone in here as well, I think, because we're getting down to only 200. You do use a lot of stone, so we'll take all these. I can't even make that jump now. Throw all those over there. We've got our 4 walls. I'm going to craft, once I get my nails, stone roof ramps. I'm going to need about 6 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's correct. And I'm going to need a couple more walls, so I'll throw in 2, 3 more walls. I'll take that. And I'll take that. Right, we don't have to worry about windows right now. We can reconfigure these later. So for now, I'm just going to throw in walls here. I'm going to already throw on my roofs. I've got stone foundation and stone walls, so that's stable enough to hold up a stone roof. You do have 2 options of roofs. If we go back to here in inventory, after replace, and we can replace with either the dark stone or the light stone. So this is the light concrete stone and this is the dark one. It's up to you whether you want slate or whether you want stone. I quite like the slate, so we'll deconstruct that. And we'll click this guy in, and for replace, and we've got winds. That's not a problem, we'll live with that. Now there is a little space here in the middle. We can do what we did over here and put a little triangle on there, or another way to make a roof, if you wish, is you can just throw one of these up. Now you can see how that's just a flat piece there, and it's got 2 running beams running down the length, and of course you can put as many as you like across here. So if you want the barn shape, take the barn shape. If you want the triangle peak, because you may go up 2 stories, then put a peak in, it'll give you a higher roof pitch. Okay, we've only got winds, that's fine. I'm just going to run back and get another 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I need about another 8 walls. There's 3. We need 5 more. So all this hard work is paying off. Run back here. I'll close the door in case my mortar and pestle gets destroyed. Put our walls down. Again, decide where you want your door. At the moment we're just going to put it out the back. We've already got some steps here, so I guess we'll just make this our doorway. So I'm just going to R to rotate that, and I'll go to doorway. I'll just throw that there for now. Stick up a couple of walls. That's going the wrong way, so you stick R to re-angle that. Another one over here. I've still got some more left. Now you can actually put another one if it will behave. Yes, you can just snap to the next roof. It doesn't have anything supporting it, but it will quite happily hold itself up. These are flashing red because they're not 100% stable, but they'll be fine in the weather. Once I put some beams in, they should go green. So even here you'll notice we can snap one on there. The roof next to it's enough to hold it. If you do put a piece up there and it starts shaking and cracking, just quickly hit Y to deconstruct and you'll save the piece. What have I got on me? I've got another piece of that, so I'll throw that in there. get our walls. Take all of these guys, run back out here. Oh, this guy's just begging to be meat. I need to get my numbers up for pronghorns. If you hit J, you go into bestiary, and you'll find in here you can go through all the different types of animals, and you've got to unlock or have as many kills as you can. Once you, as you can see here on buffalo, I'm only at 58%. Boars, I've got 100% on those. Rabbits, 87. So I need more rabbits. If you're into, you know, scoring. Oops, just broke my knife. That was silly. Just need those bones. These guys are all talking about somebody behind their back. He's very hungry. He's happy, and he's happy. So this guy here, he needs to run around the back so he can access the food. We'll just put him in water. Now they can all share. Okay, I'm 2 walls short, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, I'm going to do peak roofs probably, so I'm going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angle roofs and 2 walls. I'll show you what that means. Start with the angle piece. Actually, we'll do 2 of these first. So we need 1, 2, 3 of those. And we need 6 of these. You'll notice stone wall pieces, they give you better insulation, better falling tree resistance, better wind resistance, and also it resists tier 5 storms. So we can be in a hurricane, we can be in electrical storms, and we'll have very little damage. We will get a little bit, but not much. So we've got all those. We will head back to our little 3x3. We'll run up here. Stick in our triangles. 1 there. 1 there. To reconfigure. 1 there. 1 there. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to deconstruct these 2. I'll go to my angle roofs. I'll deploy them. I'll hit R to reconfigure, and I'm going to go for the peaked roofs. So there's my 3 peaked roofs in here, trying to snap to, there it is. Which means now I have this big square with the peak on it. So I need, don't think I can put these up, where are they? Peak roofs. Deploy. R, I want to go for the small triangle piece now. Will that snap in? It probably won't, because it likes to sit on top of a beam or sit on top of a wall. Sometimes you can make it snap, but see, it's snapping outside, but it does not want to go inside. It's just being awkward, but that's okay. That's just because it's missing 2 walls. So we'll grab those last 2 walls. And voila, we have our little rustic barn. Now all we need is 4 floors. The way we're going to get those is we're going to run over to this base. We've just had a storm or a weather event, so that means that basically we can pick up all our stuff and start transporting to the other base. So I'll put that in the fast mode and I'll show you how we set all this up. Got some spare building materials left. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to reappropriate these beams. I'm going to stick them in the corners for now. That's what's holding the roof up. I'm not exactly sure what the specs are for this. Oh, that won't snap, no big deal. Let's go to this corner. That's gone in there. That one's gone in there. You can never have enough support. Basically, the more the merrier. That's all my beams gone for now. I've got some wood pieces left, but I'm just going to store those in a bench somewhere. I'll probably stick them in here for now. We'll use all these later on actually, so nothing's wasted. Stick all my fibre, leather, ropes, fur, and my 2 pouches. Oh, floor pieces. I have one left. When you're traveling, you'll be able to take some of these pieces with you to build a temporary base, whether you be in a cave or out in the open. Just quickly throw down a couple of floors and 4 walls, a door, and you're pretty much good to go for sitting out a storm. My torch is almost gone, so I'll throw that up where there I can see it. I've got 2. Close. Get back to here. Take the rest of those poles. Looking a bit naked out here now. Right, we'll take the rest of these. Now we've got room to breathe. Alright, and there is our basic shape for our base. So you're going to try and jump? Let's make him jump. Ah, no, he bolted the other way. He's too smart for us. I thought he might try and jump across the water. He'll probably miss, which means I could have had him. He's probably just up here somewhere. They don't run very far. Nice. And still jumpable. Alright, so we'll probably clear up this area next. We'll probably finish off our stables area, make it a bit more functional. We'll look at putting down some crop plots and maybe even throw a jetty out there into the water. Under our crafting tech tree, we did unlock the wood crop plots. So to do a wood crop plot, I'll quickly run inside and show you how that worked. We'll go to our crafting bench, and you'll notice we need dirt, sulfur and wood. So we haven't got our shovel yet, so I'll quickly go to here and I'll build a shovel. So we'll go to our iron shovel, need some more wood, it's all hiding in here. Craft that, throw all that over there too. Okay, if we take our shovel, we'll throw it down here in our spot 6. If we go to somewhere where there's dirt, you notice we can dig up about 5 of it at a time, it looks like, with an iron shovel, and we get dirt. Dirt is good for a number of things. We can use dirt to build dirt pieces, like dirt ramps. It's crafted on yourself. I haven't unlocked them yet, I don't think, because it's not under here. Maybe it's part of the update. It used to be under here where you'd have dirt building pieces. Maybe it's an unlockable thing. I'll have to research that one. But now we have a bit of dirt, we'll run back inside, go to our crafting bench, and we need sulfur and wood. So we'll grab our wood, we'll grab a bit of sulfur, craft our wood plots. We can make 2. Two wood crop plots there. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to quickly grab my farmer's satchel. Have I got it on me still? No, I don't. That's okay. It will be here somewhere. Medical satchel. Spare meat here. Take that out of there. Might as well eat a piece. Where did I put you? Probably should do some home maintenance first before we start building more stuff. Ah, there it is. Farmer's satchel. If I go into here and deploy these 2 guys, I'm just going to put them out here for now next to... yeah, put them right here in the sunshine next to our animal bench. We'll go to our farmer's satchel. We'll take out our pumpkins. And I'm going to deploy 2 of these in here. Okay, I don't have a water bottle yet, so I can't water them, or a watering can. So maybe I could just splash them with some water. There we go. Oh, that guy needs to donate to the cause. There we go. Current's taking me here. Beastry's unlocked. I've got a high level of killing these guys, so it's given me some hints and tips about the beastry and telling me how to kill them. Okay, we'll run back here. It's getting dark, so it's probably a good place to leave this for the day. I'll just go inside real quick and do some tidying up. So we'll probably see you guys in the morning. The time is 5:24. So it's almost dark anyway.